In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a YouTube video upload on mobile. So at the bottom menu, press on the plus symbol in the middle to upload and choose the video that you'd like to schedule. And then from the details section, under visibility, the way it's set to public, that means if we upload it now, it will be available right away. So to change that, press on visibility, and below private you should see it says schedule, so press that, and then you have the option to change the time and the date. So for example, if you wanted to schedule it for Monday the 23rd, you press that and then press OK. Then that'll bring up a clock and you can schedule it for 5:30, press OK. And to confirm that, just press back in the top left and give it a title, and then press next and just upload as usual, and it will be set to schedule. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.